It's a bark box day. Apollo, look! It's a bark box day! Yeah!
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
For your bark box? Right. What's the theme? It says Frenchies in Paris. Alright, what are you picking out first? You want this one? What's it say? It says Oui Oui Macarons. And this one is, you knocked it out of my hand. Alright, I'll pull it off. This one is the French Impressed Coffee. He doesn't look impressed. He doesn't look impressed. It's got a bowl in it. Look at it, Apollo. Alright, what's this one? The Wee Wee Macarons. Oh, he is loving that toy. This one's... Look, you knocked it out of my hand. Oh, you want this one now? Hold on, let's open it. It's Velcro. Oh, it's so cute, Apollo. Your little macaroons. Oh, they're so happy. Apollo, they're so happy. Oh, that one's not happy. You've got happy ones and then this one. This one's not happy. Alright, what else did you get? You've got lamb cuts. Oh, a supermodel. And this one is beef bites. Ooh, look at that. What are those? Those look tasty, Apollo. And then last but not least, you have your sweet potato hard to chew, which you absolutely love. What a beautiful bark box. He's so pretty. So here are all the things you could have got. Oh, you're done with this one? Oh, you like the pink one the best. What about the sad one? The sad one wants to play. It's got a nice little package you put on. What do you think, Apollo? Let's try your treats out. Apollo, look, beef bites. You want to try a beef bite? What do you think about that? Oh, tasty. Handsomely reward the noble guardian who always keeps an eye on you in the shower. That is you, Apollo. Unless you think that I'm about to give you a bath, and then you book it out of there. We're also going to try our lamb cuts. Turn your dog into a smoldering supermodel, but maybe they're just giving you that look to get another bite. Yeah, that's Apollo's thing. And these are more of a soft texture. Smells pretty good for dog food. You want it soft and chewy? I know you're still eating that one. Alright, I'm not going to make you eat another one yet. Unless you want it. Do you want it, Apollo? Okay. We'll hold on to that one. That one's not an instant hit. What do you think, Apollo? You got your... Well, this is just one toy, but it feels like you got a whole bunch of toys because they all go in here. It's the sprinkles too. Big sprinkles too. You could play with the container. Or you could play with the happy little ones. What do you think about that? Oh, I threw it behind you. Which one's your favorite, Apollo? You don't have a favorite? Or is it the yellow one? I thought it was going to be the pink one. You like pink colors. Maybe we'll save this one for later because he seems like he is in a play mood, not a treat mood, but he does like these a lot. They last for literally one day. But thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, watching our whole video, and we will catch you in the next month's bark box. Say bye, Apollo. Bye-bye. Oh, you like these macaroons. You like these macaroons. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Go get it. That's your favorite thing in your bark box? Is your favorite thing? Well, I was trying to take a picture because you're so cute. But you just want to play. This is a huge hit. Best hit ever.